and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's about one of those sneaky problems that doesn't show up on the screen. The mystery coolant pressure drop. We were running a long production job on a horizontal mill, deep pocket work with through spindle coolant keeping the chips under control. Halfway through the day, one of the operators noticed the chips weren't clearing as well, and the tool load started creeping up. Pressure gauge on the coolant system looked fine, but the flow just wasn't there. We checked all the obvious stuff, coolant level, filters, lines, all good. Then we started noticing it only happened on certain tools. That's when we pulled a holder apart and found the culprit. A single chip wedged inside the pull stud coolant port. It was acting like a one-way valve, blocking the flow to the tool intermittently, especially at higher pressure. Once we cleaned it out and flushed the system, everything went back to normal. Lesson learned. Don't just check your coolant tank, check your holders and the studs too. Chips can sneak into places you'd never think to look and cause tool wear, poor finish or even breakage. A 5-minute teardown can save hours of chasing ghosts. Oh, and before I sign off, a quick heads up. MachiningCloud's got a Black Friday deal coming soon. Keep an eye out on our social media channels. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. It will be MachiningCloud's biggest discount yet. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.